So this euro dollar analysis for Thursday, the 2nd of August. Now, let's just have a look at what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we've had, we've seen prices sell off here from in around the 1740s. Had prices briefly consolidate around the 200 and 400 period moving averages for coming testing the 1660s. Brief bullish bounce, not by much, and we're now seeing a subsequent breakdown from the 1660. So if we do see this fall through to the downside, we can see our price react around 1612. We did previously find support around 1620, so we should bear that in mind. But ultimately, we're looking for a price head down towards our 1612. Successful break from which, again, we'll be looking for price head down to 1578. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, possibly looking at the far end of the range being around that 1554 if we were to see this momentum continuation here to the downside on the euro against the dollar. If, however, we do have a bit of a turnaround from where we are at present, at present, if we do find a support in around the 1620s, looking for a retest of the 1660s to see whether it does hold as resistance. Previously we had a consolidation before seeing a breakout as there, so we'll see whether it does hold as resistance and see that sell side momentum return to the market. If, however, we do break back above the 1660 and hold it for support, we're then looking for a momentum continuation here up towards possibly that 1710. And if there's quite a bit of volatility, may even test that 1728, the upper end of this trading range that we've been in for the past couple of days here on the euro against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of euro dollar, we can see here, again, we've come up towards the upper end of this trading range in towards the 1728 and the 1740s. What we have seen is we posted pin bar, had a strong bearish close in towards the 1660s, and we do see points for further downside momentum, in which case we're possibly looking for price head down towards that 1578. Now in around 1578, we do have the daily confluence of the 400 period moving averages previously acted as support from a daily chart perspective. So in around 1578, we'll see whether we do get a bullish bounce based on the confluence of the 400 period moving average. Failing that, possibly looking for a breakdown and acceleration in momentum towards that 115 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.